So this is our lat pull down. Just want to let you guys know we do have all kinds of different hand positions. I'm just going to show you for this video how to use a basic lat pull down bar, but we do have plenty of different handles and attachments over here that you can use. So go ahead and sit down. You can pull this tab and move this up and down. When I've set it rested on top of your legs, pull the pin, you're in place. Go ahead and select the amount of weight you want to use. Grab your bar, go ahead and sit down. Now when you're doing your lat pull down, it's okay to slightly lean back. You don't have to be perfectly straight. We want to engage the full lat. Here at the top, you can allow that weight to fully stretch the lat at the top. Here at the full stretch, you're going to squeeze down. Think about bringing that bar through your chest. Flex the rhomboids in your lats, let it come back up. Feel the stretch and pull back down. There's your lat pull down.